How to create and manage Facebook Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on the option of what's on your mind over here. So let's tap on it and let's go back again over here and simply tap on the option over here to tap on Reels, and simply select on creating a reel. You can just add on any videos as well. So let's tap on what's on your mind and tap on photo or video. So let's allow access to camera roll for now, and as we do that, you can simply launch any of the video. You can just select any video, or you can simply create by using your camera at the top right corner. So I'm going to select on a particular video over here for now, and then you can simply add captions if you want, and you can also do many other editing parts if you tap on edit, and then simply tap on post, and then you'll be able to create and manage your Facebook Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.